I'm Eric Wise from Omar. Today we're talking about the GCO drive assembly for ball chain. Inner and outer drives on the GCO, the OEM drives are rather complicated. There is a bearing to press in here, there's a bearing to press in here, there are shims that have to be adjusted, there is a support puck in the bottom of this thing that has to be placed just right underneath the drive. And there are 4 oil lines on each oven, 2 per drive, one here, in order to lubricate these bearings. When those oil lines plug up, these bearings run dry, and because these are sleeve bearings, they wear very fast when they don't have oil running to them. We provide this entire assembly as a replacement part for these GCOs, and a few years ago, we redesigned the drive and patented this concept, which eliminates a lot of hassle with these drives. So this is a fixed shaft, mounts in the same place as the old drive. This shaft, once put in place, does not have to be removed. There is a sprocket mounted on that shaft with a bearing assembly mounted in the hub is a pair of bearings. These 2 bearings get replaced, so this is that part. This hub with 2 bearings in it has a sprocket mounted on top so that the sprocket and bearing assembly turns on a fixed shaft. There are no oil lines because this bearing is permanently lubricated, and our experience is at least 1 year bearing life. So we annually replace these bearings. We have eliminated the oil lines that were in the old drive, and the changeover is about 20 minutes. A rebuild requires removing the top shaft and the universal joint, remove the sprocket, then remove the bearing in the assembly, press the bearings out, put 2 new bearings in, and put the hub assembly back on. The whole thing is held together with a snap ring, and we have found not only do these bearings last for a year of operation, 2 shifts a day, 6 to 7 days per week, we have also found that there is a significant reduction in ball wear and consequently rail wear and ball chain wear. The reason for that is the sleeve bearing in the old assembly requires more torque to rotate than the ball bearing that we're using in the Omar drive. This drive assembly is patented, and it has been in operation in multiple ovens for a number of years, and it is a very good solution for an age-old problem and a complicated design replaced with a simple design. Contact us with more questions. I'm Eric Wise from Omar. Our phone number is 419-426-0610.